Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Divi and welcome to my channel. In today's quick video, I'm really excited about this video because Divi just released the brand new Divi Cloud. So if you use Divi, you know that this update is really big and it will change the way we build Divi websites, which means you no longer need to save thousands of Divi JSON files on your computer so you can reuse them over and over again. So let's go ahead and check Divi Cloud out and see what it has to offer. So this is the landing page for the Divi Cloud. If you scroll down all the way here to the roadmap, you can see that they have a lot coming to Divi Cloud. Here we have the Divi Theme Builder template, the Divi Cloud library, we have the theme customization settings, we also have the Divi Builder preset, we have the Divi theme options. So you can come here and check all of them out. And here is the pricing for the Divi Cloud. So I decided to share this with you guys so that you can grab this while the sale is still going on. So right now they have a special launch pricing which is up to 40% off. So go ahead and click on the link in the description box below so you can grab this sale. If you want to go monthly, you have to pay $6.40 a month. If you want to go yearly, you'll be paying $4.80 a month. And I think this is a great pricing for what this has to offer. So I've gone ahead and purchased the yearly plan. And also if you scroll down here, you can see if you purchase the yearly plan, that means you can lock in 25% off your membership forever, right? So I think this is really great. So if you want to grab this, go ahead and grab it before the sale ends. You can see here that they have the sale for 6 days. So go ahead and grab it right now. That's why I decided to make the video today. They just released the update today. So let's go ahead and check this out together. Let me go ahead and log into a WordPress website. So I've gone ahead and logged into a WordPress website. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and update your Divi theme. Also, if you want to check out the Divi Cloud, you don't need to purchase any subscription before you try it out. You can get up to 50 items in the cloud for free. So you can go ahead and try it out without even buying the membership. So let's go ahead and log into a WordPress website. So I've gone ahead and logged into this WordPress website right here. You can see the landing page that I just created. Let me go ahead and click on Enable Visual Builder. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to save this section right here. So if you click on this icon right here, so you can go ahead and give your section a name. So I gave this one sample section, and then here you can toggle this button right here to save to the cloud. So once you click on the button, it's going to pop up here for you to log into your Divi account. So go ahead and put in your username and password. So this is going to be the same username and password that you use to log into your Elegant Themes account. So I've gone ahead and log into my account here. Once you toggle this on, here you can select the category that you want to add this section to. If you don't see the category here, you can go ahead and create one. Go here and type the category that you want to add this to. So I'm going to create a sample section category. So here I gave my category a name, and then if you want to create a tag, this is where you're going to add the tag. So I already have section here as the tag, so I'm going to select that. If you don't have any tag here, you can go ahead and click here to create a new tag. So once you finish, go ahead and click on Save to Cloud. So this applies to pretty much any Divi element, including the sections, the row, the columns, the modules. So let's say for example we want to save this text module here. Once you click on this icon right here, you will see the same option that we saw before. Go ahead and fill that up, and then you can go ahead and save it. And then if you do the same thing for the button right here, we click on this icon again, and then we can go ahead and save it. You can see everything is pretty much the same. So now let's go ahead and close this page and log into another Divi website to see how this actually works. So I've gone ahead and log into another Divi website right here. So this is the one that we were just working on, and then this is the new demo website that I just logged into. So once you're in here, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and update the Divi theme to the latest version. So let's go to Appearance and go to Themes, and then select the Divi theme, and here you can see that we have an update. Go ahead and click on Update now. And now let's try and see if we can import the section that we just saved to the library. So to do that, let's go ahead and click on this section icon right here, and then click Add from Library. And now you can see that we have the option to log into the cloud. So let's go ahead and click on Sign into Divi Cloud. So once you log in, you can see the sample section that we just saved, and you can see this icon here means that it's saved in the cloud. You can see here this one is saved in the cloud, and then this one is just saved on this website. So if you click on this 3-dot icon here, you can see all the options that we have right here. You can go ahead and use this section. You can edit the section with Divi. You can preview live. You can also rename it. You can remove it from the cloud. You can add to favorite. Right here you can see we have this favorite icon here. So if you add this to favorite, it's going to look like this. And then from here you can go ahead and filter it and select all the favorites. And now you can see only your favorites here. You can go ahead and click on this X icon here to remove that, and then you can see all your templates again. So let's go ahead and use this section. Alright, so you can see this is really nice. You can see this is exactly the section that we saved inside the cloud. If you go back here and look at this page, right, this is the page where we saved it from. You can see the section right here. You can see that is exactly the same. If you come back here, you can see it's exactly the same. So let's go ahead and check out Divi pre-made templates. So let's go here and click on this plus icon right here. Now you can see what the pop-up looks like. You can see that they redesign everything. Now you have this heart icon here. You can add any template that you want to your favorites. Like for example, if we add this one to the favorite, we can scroll down here and then we can add this one, maybe add this one, and then you can also filter this by the newest ones. Maybe we want to see only the new ones. We can select this option and then it will filter it for you. This is the latest ones they just uploaded. You can go ahead and add that to your favorite. Now from here, you can also go ahead and select all your favorites from here, and then it will show all your favorite ones first, and then it will show the rest of the templates, right? And then if you want to see only your favorites, you can go here and filter this by favorites, and now you are going to see only your favorite right here. So, and also have the list view option here. You can switch this like this, and then you will see all the templates like this. And then if you go here and click on your saved layout, you can see the ones you saved on this website. You can add any of your saved layout to the cloud. All you need to do is to click on this cloud icon here, and that is going to go ahead and add this to your cloud. You can see now that we have that on the cloud. If you do the same thing here, it's going to go ahead and add that to your cloud. And then for all your saved layouts, you can also export them from here. You can go ahead and export it from here. You can delete it from here, or you can also make a duplicate from here, right? So this is pretty much self-explanatory. I just wanted to make this video so that you guys don't miss out on the sale. You can see the sale is only going to last for 6 days. So if you want to subscribe to Divi Cloud, this is the right time to do it so you can save up to 40%. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Also, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this feature. Do you think it's a great one? Do you think you're going to be using it? Do you think it's going to be beneficial to you? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to be replying to every single comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.